Hi guys, welcome to Megan's Wreath Boutique. I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how I took this base and turned it into this wreath. Today I'm just going to be showing you how I made the base. So let's get started. You're going to want to use 21-inch Deco Mesh, and we're going to do the Poof Method for the inner ring on the base. So you're just going to want to start on the inner ring, and you're going to take the very end of the 21-inch Deco Mesh and tie it to one of the chenille stems. Just twist it, and then you can go on to the next one. And what I like to do, how I like to measure, is I just drag my hand across the Deco Mesh and I count to 3 in my head, and that gives you about a 12-inch poof. If you would feel more comfortable measuring the Deco Mesh to 12 inches, feel free to do that. It's completely up to you, but I just do that in my head, the counting method, and like I said, it gives you a pretty close to a 12-inch poof each time. That way it's just quicker for me. So we're just going to go through and do poofs on each chenille stem on this inner ring, and then we will get started on the outer ring. Okay, so once you're done with that inner ring, putting the poofs on, you're going to want to cut the end off, and then we're going to start on the outer ring. Okay, we're going to be using 10-inch Deco Mesh now, and you're going to want to cut this Deco Mesh with a rotary cutter or scissors, and you're going to want to cut the Deco Mesh into 30-inch sections. So however many chenille stems you have left open on your base, your wreath base, that's how many 30-inch sections you're going to need to cut. Okay, once you have all your 30-inch sections cut, you're going to want to unroll each section one by one, and you're going to want to kind of curl them up at each end and then scrunch down the middle. And that's going to give you kind of like a curl scrunch type look. And then you're going to want to attach it to the outer ring of your wreath form. And we're going to use one section for each chenille stem. Okay, I'm going to show one more time how to work with this 10-inch, you're going to want to curl it in on the edges and then scrunch down the middle, and then while keeping it scrunched, you attach it to the outer ring of your wreath frame. Alright, so once you attach that last 10-inch Deco Mesh section to the outer ring, you are finished up, and you just kind of fluff each section and get it to look the way you want it to look, and then you will start attaching your ribbon, floral, signs, anything you want to attach after that. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed. Please subscribe and leave any questions you may have in the comment section below.